guys, it's Katie from Inspired Video Marketing here for Tutorial Tuesday, showing you how to put captions on your Facebook videos. In 2016, Digiday reported that nearly 85% of all Facebook videos are viewed without sound. I'm sure you can relate. You're scrolling and something catches your eye and the video starts playing and you watch it. And if it's got captions, you're more likely to keep watching it, right? Well, that's what we're going to show you how to do today. Facebook makes it super simple and they will auto create captions for you. Granted, be careful because check this video out where I didn't double check the captions.
This is a good learning opportunity. Don't be in Safari. All right. Yay, engaging title. Yay. Great description. Same. I didn't even spell that right. You can pick your thumbnail. Look at all these fun choices I get. Subtitles and captions. This is what you're going to want to go. I think it has to be at 100% before you can start doing this. We're going to pick our language video. Or you can upload SRT files. You can do it yourself, but I don't want to write or upload captions. I want Facebook to do it for me. Yay! You're going to want to fix your captions. So here we go. So you can see that Facebook comes up with the captions, but you can watch it. Here we go and see. Alright, so far so good. Oh, audio lag. I don't know what an audio lag is. I said lag. So I could add check. Here we go. So I didn't say this, but I added this. And I added this so you can adjust where this showcases and how long by increasing or decreasing the arrows, and you can kind of see on the screen what's happening. Look at that. So you can have fun with these captions. Because people watch a lot of the autoplay videos on Facebook without pressing the audio because we're 1, too lazy, 2, not in a place to hear it, or 3, don't really want to or care, we read the captions. And so this is a kind of a little Easter egg, something fun that you can put in your videos for people to discover. So what I want to do is, I say this is a sample video, and then they say, oh my goodness, this lag is weird. I want to create 2 separate captions. So I'm going to make this short for how long it. Okay, so because there's space, I have this option right here to insert a new. There we go. So since this is being icky, we're just going to extend it up here. There we go. Alright, so then we can probably... Oh, and apparently I say, wow, that's weird at the end. So Facebook didn't pick up on that. You know what, let's just add videos here so we don't have to deal with that. Yay! Look at that. Alright, so we save the draft. It as a draft. See? That's that button. Alright, we're just going to finish this draft right now, and then we're going to delete it. There we go. Look at this! Yay! I'm not hearing anything right now.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.